Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need virtualization on and an emulator installed before you proceed. First, reboot into BIOS and enable VTX or AMDV. This lets the emulator run smoothly. Once done, install BlueStacks or LD Player and accept default virtualization prompts. Next, download the TCG Pocket APK to your Downloads folder. Make sure the APK matches the current version to avoid compatibility issues. Now you have the environment and the app file ready. Move to installing the APK. Inside the emulator, drag the APK into the window and allow the installer to run. You'll see app icons appear when complete. Then open the emulator settings and allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM for stable gameplay. This prevents stutter during card animations. Next, set the display to 1280 x 720 for proper UI scaling and map basic keyboard controls for tapping and menus. After configuring, launch TCG Pocket and let it finish initial setup and asset downloads before proceeding. Now sign in or create your TCG Pocket account and allow any cloud sync so your progress is saved. Once inside, tweak the in-game graphics to medium if you notice lag. Lower it further only if needed. For final polish, bind common actions to keys for faster deck management. If the app crashes or fails to launch, first clear the emulator cache and restart. If that fails, reinstall the APK and double-check BIOS virtualization is enabled. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.